Afternoon, folks. Skip20 here, Knoxville, Tennessee. Quickie little update on my Phoenix Volkswagen Subaru Flatbed build. Actually, not too much to report, but I did have fun down at Pull Apart, which is a local junkyard that's not too bad and fairly inexpensive. Oh, what I found was a beautiful set of seats from a 2003 Outback. Driver's seat is power. Passenger seat is manual. They both flip. But the really nice thing is I got the center console also with the emergency brake handle, and this has cup holders. I didn't have cup holders. But here's a really nice thing. Both seats are heated. Too bad they're not air conditioned, but they are heated. Wow, high tech, high tech. Whoa, someday I'll go down. Okay, coming up on the dash, I got the premium rear view mirror. It has some kind of digital output. I'm thinking maybe temperature. Two buttons to do something. Those are possibly sensors for high beam lights. There's one in the front also. And I was able to pick up the dome light assembly, which has those spotlight reading lamps and the power switch for the sunroof, which I should be able to use on my Ford sunroof. That's it from the junkyard. That was all $140. Number two, my new air tank came in. It's going to be replacing that orange, yellow Harbor Freight tank. It has 4 outlets. So I can put the pump in one side and all the switches in the other side, and I don't have to have that big junction down there causing a bunch of leaks. That should cure my problem. Next part is, gotta take it apart and put that in. Yeah, right. Not much else has happened. I have cut some of the wiring harness down, getting it ready to extend it up to the dashboard. This is what the dash harness looks like. This came out of the 2.2 that was originally in there. It starts at the dome light, goes all the way back. That's the rear harness. Coming up, got air conditioning, and all that goes to the engine. Comes around the corner. That includes the computer plugs right there. Come around the corner, this is the automatic transmission control, radio, heater, all kinds of goodies, relays. What this is missing is the cruise control, which this has, and I have it on the back. So that's about it. Nothing really else to report. There's my super duper driving light, the whole $25 worth. I just put it up there for looks. Maybe if a driver gets me pissed off, I can blink them. So that's my Phoenix. Short little update. I'm real happy with the new seats. Now I got to get them mounted. Put in braces underneath, 1/4-inch plate to help support them. And still see the winch sitting in the back. Seats fit good. That's about it. Still working on the GoldWing. This will be ready by end of August for the GoldWing rally here in Knoxville. Wingding, or whatever they call it. And been working on my 3-wheel car. Tried to fix any leakage on the power steering pump. Had to rehook up the stock water temperature because it went through the computer. So my new temperature switch is going to go into a pipe that ties into the top hose and has an 1/8 inch fitting for the temperature gauge. So I need to run the wire for that. I got the oil pressure way down there hooked up. It is working on the dash. Not much else new in here, but that's showing the digital dash. I got this from Summit Racing. And there we go. There you go. Summit. Yeah. It's a cheaper model of what they sell for about $600. You can get these for about $300. Does the same thing. So I got the turn signals working. Need to adjust the DIM switches or dim switches or whatever for the gas tank. Need to get the water temperature hooked up. Oil pressure's working, tach's working. It has a speedometer adapter right here with electrical connections, and it's supposed to go into your transmission. However, it won't go on my transmission, so I tried putting it on the speedometer cable, but it must be backwards because it's not working. So I gotta troubleshoot that, make sure my temperature gauge, this blue wire, is not hooked up to the old gauge and is actually plugged back in with the computer. So the dash has to come off, and I'll probably take the windshield frame off to work on it. I mentioned I have made templates for the windshield and side windows. The roof is getting a vinyl cover put on it, and that's about it. I'm out of here. Have a good weekend. This is Friday night. It's starting to get hot and muggy out here. So keep working. Get those projects done. Yeah, right, Skip. Okay. I will. Sayonara.